What if I told you that the difference between an average body and a powerful body is just one nutrient? Protein is not just for bodybuilders. It is the foundation of your muscles, your hormones, your immune system, and even your growth. Ignore protein, and you ignore your potential. In the 1960s, children in parts of Asia were noticeably shorter than Western populations. Food was simple, mostly rice. Protein intake was low. Then something changed. Governments added more milk, more eggs, more fish, more meat. Within one generation, average height increased. Muscle mass improved, physical development transformed. Genetics didn't suddenly evolve, diet did, and at the center of that transformation was protein. Protein builds muscle, controls hormones, supports immunity, and even plays a role in reproductive health, because healthy sperm production depends on amino acids too. This isn't gym talk. This is human biology. This is the protein secret. In the 1950s, both Korea and Japan were recovering from devastating wars. Children were malnourished, meals were simple, mostly rice, little protein. Growth was stunted, muscles were weak, immunity low. Then the governments acted. School programs introduced milk, eggs, fish, and meat. Families slowly started adding protein-rich foods to daily meals. Within one generation, average height increased, muscle strength improved. Children grew taller, healthier, and more resilient. Genetics didn't change, diet did. The key ingredient behind this transformation? Protein, building blocks for muscles, hormones, immunity, and growth. And this is not just about being strong. It's about shaping an entire generation's potential. Across the Atlantic, in the USA and much of Europe, history tells a different story. Since the Industrial Revolution, access to protein-rich foods like meat, eggs, and dairy became widespread. Children grew taller, muscles stronger, and overall physical development flourished. Athletes, soldiers, and even the general population benefited from diets high in protein. Supplements and fortified foods further boosted nutrition. Protein was not just a nutrient. It became the foundation of strength, growth, and longevity. Generations that consistently consumed protein-rich diets were taller, healthier, and physically stronger. The lesson is clear. Where protein is abundant, human potential thrives. In many countries, like India, Pakistan, and parts of Africa, the story is very different. For generations, diets have been mostly rice, wheat, and other carbohydrates. Protein sources, meat, eggs, and dairy, were scarce or expensive. Children grew slower, muscles remained weak. Immunity was low, stunted growth and physical underdevelopment became common. Even in adults, low protein intake leads to fat accumulation around the midsection, the Pith-Par fat pattern. Limited protein doesn't just affect muscles. It impacts hormones, energy, recovery, and even reproductive health. Sperm production depends on amino acids. While some public health programs are slowly improving access to protein, many populations still lag behind. The contrast is clear. High-protein diets transform generations. Low-protein diets limit human potential. Look at the world through the lens of protein. Countries that prioritized protein early, Korea, Japan, the USA, and much of Europe, produced taller, stronger, and healthier generations. Muscles grew, hormones balanced, immunity strengthened, growth potential maximized. On the other hand, countries with low protein intake, like India, Pakistan, and parts of Africa, faced stunted growth, weaker physiques, and slower physical development. Even with the same genetic potential, lack of protein limited what the body could achieve. The lesson is undeniable. Protein is universal. It affects every aspect of human biology: muscles, hormones, immunity, growth, and yes, even reproductive health, because sperm production relies on essential amino acids. The difference between thriving and struggling, between growth and limitation, often comes down to this one nutrient: protein. Protein isn't magic, it's science. Every protein you eat breaks down into small building blocks called amino acids. There are 20 in total, but 9 of them are essential, the ones your body cannot produce on its own. These essential amino acids are the true power behind growth, recovery, and strength. Leucine, isoleucine, and valine, the BCAAs crucial for muscle growth, and lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and histidine, essential for hormones, immunity, and metabolism. Without these, your body can't build muscle efficiently, repair tissues, or maintain hormonal balance. Even your reproductive health depends on them. Sperm cells are made of amino acids. Neglect these, and the foundation of your body weakens. Protein isn't just calories. It's the blueprint for every cell, every hormone, every muscle fiber. Protein is only as good as its source. Hard, protein timing is everything. Before exercise, fuel your muscles with light protein and carbs, like oats with milk and a banana. This provides amino acids to prevent breakdown and keeps energy levels steady. After your workout, within 1 hour, 20-30 grams of protein is ideal. This activates muscle protein synthesis, speeding up recovery, repair, and growth. A natural recovery meal could be 2 eggs for complete protein, 1 glass of milk for fast-digesting amino acids, and a banana to replenish glycogen. Protein is not just food. It's the foundation of your body, your performance, and your future health. It builds muscles, balances hormones, strengthens immunity, and supports reproductive health, including healthy sperm production. Every workout, every meal, every day is an opportunity. Fuel your body right, and it will reward you with strength, growth, and vitality. Remember, your gains aren't made in the gym alone. They're made in the kitchen. Protein is more than nutrition. It's unlocking your human potential,